I am Dr. Miao.
I am Dr. Ben Budwong.
I'm Dr. Kavish Chauhan.
I'm Dr. Özgür Aslan from Turkey, Ankara.
I'm Dr. Anastasios Vikris from Athens, Greece.
I'm Dr. Kuldeep Saxena.
On behalf of the Chinese Host Committee, it is my great honor and pleasure to announce that the FUEGLOBAL World Congress 2026 will be held in Guangzhou, China, from June 5th to June 9th, 2026. As the world's largest international conference dedicated to hair follicular science and hair medicine, this Congress will bring together a global community of hair transplantation surgeons, dermatologists, scientists, nurses, academic researchers, medical device manufacturers, scalp care and hair health industry partners, as well as professionals with a strong interest in the field of hair medicine. The Congress aims to provide a high-level platform for academic exchange, clinical experience sharing, technological innovation, and industry collaboration, while showcasing the latest advances and future directions in hair transplantation and hair science. Welcome to Guangzhou, China.